Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Binance. For that you need to first launch your Binance mobile application. Now once you are on this page, you will have to tap on this transfer tab in the bottom. Once done, you are going to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where you will have to tap on the deposit button. After that, it will ask you to choose your currency. So you will have to tap on fiat, and after that you need to search for USD in the search bar. Now once you found USD, you simply need to click on it and it will redirect you on the next page where it will show you the recommended deposit option, which will be your bank transfer. Then you need to press the continue button in the bottom. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount of USD that you want to deposit into your Binance account via Revolut. Then it will show you the transaction fees that you need to pay, which in the BUSD case is 0. So here you need to press the continue button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you will be shown some of the important notes, so you need to make sure that you read all of the information that is given over here, and then you need to press the OK button. Afterwards you will be able to see the reference code as well as the bank account details of Binance. So you need to copy these details from here. Then you need to close your Binance app and launch the Revolut mobile application. Now once you are in your Revolut app, you need to tap on the transfer tab in the bottom. Then you need to tap on the plus button in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, among the given options, select the option of bank recipient. Once you have done that, by default you will be on this individual page, but you need to tap on the business page, and then you need to one by one give all of the information that you have copied from Binance. After that, you need to add the recipient over here, and then you are going to see this review transfer page in front of you. Here you are going to see the two. Here in the two sections you are going to see Binance, and then you are going to see your account number in the from section. You need to make sure that the reference number is also correct. If it is not correct, then you can click on the edit button in order to edit it. After that, you are going to see a bunch of different information relating to the transfer. So you just have to tap on the send button in the bottom, and this way your transfer will be initiated and you will be able to transfer your money from Revolut to Binance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.